Welcome to my platform. Today I want to run you through the question which is under geometry, and this question is driven from 2017 past paper 2 GCE. Okay, so 1a, P is equals to 80 degree north, comma 10 degree east, comma Q 80 degree north, comma 70 degree east, then R 85 degrees south, comma 70 degree east, and S 85 degrees south, comma 10 degree east are 4 points on the surface of the earth. So now the question, show these points on a clearly labeled sketch of the surface of the earth. 2. Find nautical miles the distance QK along the longitude. B. The circumference of the circle of latitude 85, taking pi as 3.142 and R 3,437. Yes, so here, this is the question now. Let us see how we can answer this examination question. Okay, so now we are starting with this one where we are supposed to show these points which we are given on this statement on the labeled sketch of the surface of the earth. So now, for us to sketch the surface of the earth, we are going to get back to the points. So we are going to see how many north do we have and how many east do we have, south and west. So in this case, we don't have west. All points lies north, east, south. So now what we are going to do, what is going to determine the lines, the number of longitude lines and also the number of latitude lines are the points that we are given. So if we can clearly see the points that we have here, we have one line for north, which is this one, 88. Then again, we have one for east. As you can see, we have, in fact, for east we have two. We have 70 east and also 10 east. Then south, we only have one. Then also north, we only have one. So it's only east where we have two lines. Okay, so now we are going to write the same circle which they want us to sketch. Okay, this is the one. Okay. So for east, we have how many? East there are two. So we have this one, which is 10, and also 70. So this one is 10. So let us also write that one for 70. Okay. For 70, even here I think we can indicate it. So we have this one, 10. East, then the other one 70 east. So we are done with the east, the longitude for that one. Then we are remaining with now north. North, how many do we have? We only have one, which is this one. So it is what? 80 degree north. Then we come to south. South again, we only have one. south. For south, we have 1. Which is 85 degree south. Okay? So having indicated the points on the surface of the earth, we are now going to locate the points. Okay, so we'll start with P. P is located on 80 degree north, 10 degree east. So 80 degree north, 80 degree north, 10 degree east. So this one lies here. This is 80 degree north and 10 degree east. So this is point P. So point P is here. Okay. Then we come to point Q. Point Q is located on 80 degree north, 70 degree east. 80 degree north, 70 degree east. So that one lies here. Is located here. That is Q. So point Q is located here. Okay? Then from there we come to R. Point R is located on 85 degrees south, 70 degree east. So 85 degrees south, 70 degree east, it's here. So that one, R is located here. Then we come to S. S is located on 85 degrees south, 10 degree east. So 85 is this one, then 10 degree east, 10, this one. So that one is located here, S. Okay, 4 points. So it means we have shown, according to the first question, we have shown these points on a clearly labeled sketch of the surface of the earth. This is the one. So we are done with the first question. So quickly we go to the next one. The next question says, find in nautical miles the distance QK along the longitude. The distance between QK, we have QK, the distance between QK or QR. QR. This is R, okay? QR. So now the distance which they want us to find is the one between these 2 points, from A up to A. Yes. So now remember, in earth geometry, when finding the distance, we should first know the difference between those 2 points, either along latitude or longitude. It is just one and the same. So here, the difference between these 2 points is the one that we are going to start first. So let us look at the position of this point on latitude. This one is 80 degrees north and this one is 85 degrees south. So looking at the positions, these 2 points are not lying on the same position. Hence, we are going to add the degrees that we have there for us to find the difference between the 2. So we are going to say 80 plus 85. The answer is what? 165 degree. Okay. So now from there, we go to the actual formula that we are supposed to use for us to find the difference, the distance between those 2 points. Yes, so this is the formula that we are supposed to use. Here we are using the capital letter R because the distance that we are looking for is along the great circle. So the radius is big. Okay, no wonder why we are using the big R here. So now from there, we are going to substitute according to the variable values that we have. So this one we have already found 165 over 360 times 2 times 3.142 times 3437. Okay, so from there now we can get a calculator so that we calculate the final answer. So 165 divided by 360 times 2 times 3.142 times 3437. Okay, so that one we are going to have 9,899.1. Then this one we can still round it to this nautical miles. So the distance between point Q and R is 9,900 nautical miles. So that means we are done with that one. So let us quickly go to the last part of our question, which is question B. Now we don't have a space here, so that means we are going to get rid of this same one so that we can we can use the same space to find the last part of our question. Okay, which is question B. So now from there, we are saying the circumference of the circle of latitude 85. So the circumference of the circle of latitude 85. Latitude 85, since they have given us the latitude there, so the circumference is equals to 2 pi r. The reason why we are using the small r there because we are in the latitude. Remember, latitude or latitude on the Earth's surface, there are small circles. So even the radius is going to be in a small letter r. Okay? So now from there, we are going to say, since in the statement that we are given, they are telling us to say r, which is capital letter r, is equals to this one. So the only one which we are given is big R. Now there we have small r. So what are we going to do? We should know that small r is equals to big R cos theta. That is the value of small r. So now when writing, we are going to use this one instead of the small letter r. So 2 pi big R cos theta. Okay? Because then 2 times pi is 3.142 times 3437 times cos what? Latitude what? 85. So cos 85. Then from there, we go back to the calculator. We are saying 2 times 3.124 times 3437 times cos 85. The answer is 1882.4 nautical miles. That is the circumference. The circumference of that small circle is 1882.4 nautical miles. Thank you so very much for your attention. We have just come to the end of our lesson.